Ka lumpung ilekai football ik bela peniat daga kenhun ki kena skol barim jong ka Plilat Secondary School ka badan hang senong Molos Nai Hariboy District menta kala nangnya cacaj ya ka bela penilekai hamadan Molos Nai menta ka sengi hagane ka lumpung ilekai football laikhun hapdeng ka Kaidi Mizoram Border persya ya ka Keli Umwang Sports Club badah ka bakut jong ka jing ilekai ka Kaidi Mizoram Border kala ra ikana mladu ha ka jing khun tiebreaker Shushu hagane kesengi kum kejingai mensi mega kenhun ki kena school barim ke school Plilat Secondary School u Dr. David Lengdo beri chairman ka UPF ulalej ban sakhi ya ketika jingi lekai kum kongsan rengkat kejingai jing kersan ban jingirap
Alo, ilam dah.
Ba,
Ilam dah.
Cuma mau macam.
Ada. Kash pang amik kah?
The school has produced not only educated minds but also inspired hearts and feel privileged to be associated with this legacy. Remembering the legacy, this tournament is not just a sporting event, it is a living tribute to late Babu Florin Lengdo. As a son of the soil who dedicated his very life in faith, service and leadership, his contribution to education, to the church and to the community stands as a shining example for all of us. By organizing this tournament in his memory, you are not only keeping him alive, his vision alive, but also inspiring the young generation to follow his footsteps of discipline, dedication and determination. So spirit of sports, discipline without rules, no team can win, no team can success. So unity without teamwork, no goal can be achieved. Perseverance, even when we fall, we rise again with courage. Respect for the teammates, for the opponent, and for the spirit of foul play. So today, as I look at the young players who gathered here, not only from this very soil, but from the soil of Northeast India, I see not just athletes, but future leaders of the community. May this tournament ignite in you the fire of sportsmanship and the will to strive for the excellence, not only on the football ground, but also in the very aspects of life. As a Umsling, we have a vision. We, the Umslings of People's Front, as chairman of Umsling Front, I always, thinking about what to do of our generation. Our generation has lots of knowledge and but less of opportunity, and they fall in traps of lots of lifeless lives, drugs abuse. Drugs promise excitement, but they deliver only destruction. They destroy families, kill dreams, and rob the futures of the youth. So that is why through the Umsning People's Front, we are working tirelessly to create awareness, organize rallies, and provide platforms like sports and education that give a young brighter path. Sports like the tournament is the best alternative to drugs. It keeps the body fit and mind sharp and the future strong. So today let us also pledge. What we can do, we can pledge that today itself we will say no to drug but yes to life. To protect our youth from this menace, to support the movement of our forum against drugs, to free Umsning, to free Molosnai, to free Rihoi district, to free our beloved state Meghalaya free from drugs. So, for the conclusion, I would like to thank and congratulate the organizing committee for keeping alive this noble tradition. To the team, I wish all the very best. May the best side win. But beyond the victory and defeat, may this tournament strengthen unity and friendship and community spirit. Let us carry forward the visions of late Babu Florian Lingdor and make this event not only celebration of football but also commitment to higher, the stronger and free drugs society, free from every consuming bad substance.
Ke Carnival Fest ke Henrio ha Umsning. Laisni lenter, kendai shipo bat katway dari Kurisau Arhajar Arbusan, Hamadan Umsning Town Dorbar. Labu ujung temu, bagi pisah ke bami onirap siaga school Umsning Town Dorbar Secondary School. Nalor ke bam gedi ke ba on penbang pensinyam, kindon ke jing penbernya nak nongwai bapau ke jela, ke hausi bumper, ke lucky draw, bat kiwai. Wan sepi, wan ma abahi, ke tamasaste, tang bayarap ia ke school se. Nagbantay ke jing tip ke babanya, pun hagi number, Henry not kendai arnyau lain nyau ar lani prannyau non Henry sau Henry nyau.